Personal finance is not just about managing money. It's about building habits, setting goals, and making decisions that create financial stability and freedom. Here are 10 clever personal finance rules to guide you toward financial success with detailed explanations and actionable advice. 1. Pay yourself first. This rule emphasizes the importance of saving before spending. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Automate transfers to a savings or investment account each payday. How to implement Cologne. Allocate at least 20% of your income to savings or investments. If 20% seems too ambitious, start with 5% and gradually increase. Use high-yield savings accounts or low-risk investments for emergency funds. Prioritize retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, to benefit from compounding. Why it works. Cologne. By saving first, you ensure your financial goals are met before discretionary spending. 2. Live below your means. Living below your means isn't about deprivation, it's about aligning your spending with your values and long-term goals. 3. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net for unforeseen expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. 4. Avoid consumer debt. Debt can quickly derail financial progress, particularly high-interest consumer debt from credit cards or payday loans. 5. Invest early and consistently. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth through investments. Thanks to compound growth. 6. Use the 24-hour rule for spending. Impulse purchases are a common pitfall in personal finance. The 24-hour rule helps curb unnecessary spending. How to implement Cologne. Wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. For larger purchases, extend the waiting period to 30 days. Use a wish list to track desired items and revisit them later to assess if they're still necessary. Why it works. This practice reduces impulsive spending and ensures your purchases align with your priorities. 7. Insure what you can't afford to lose. Insurance protects you from financial ruin in the face of major, unpredictable events. How to implement Cologne. Ensure you have health, life, auto, and homeowners / renters insurance. Opt for high-deductible plans for lower premiums if you have an emergency fund. Periodically review and update your policies to reflect current needs. Why it works. Proper insurance coverage minimizes financial risks and gives you peace of mind. Eight. Track every dollar. Awareness of where your money goes is essential for making informed financial decisions. 9. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Diversifying your income creates financial stability. How to implement Cologne. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound for savings, debt repayment, and investments. These 10 rules are more than just guidelines. They're habits that, when practiced consistently, can transform your financial life, whether you're starting your journey or looking to refine your approach. Implementing even a few of these principles can have a profound impact.